Hi all, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a collection and how to drop a collection and what are the ways to create a collections in MongoDB. So let's get started. So now I have started already the MongoDB database and let's go inside of any database. Let's say new DB. So now I am inside the new DB database. Now let's create a database. So for that DB dot create collection and provide the collection name my collection. Yeah, now it's saying okay one. Now there's a one way to create a collection. Now if I say show collection, so there is one collection it's showing, and we have already learned how if you want to create a collection, how do I proceed with the help of insert db dot collection name my collection dot insert and provide a JSON inside or document inside with the help of key value pair, key and value. So now if this collection is already there, it will create and insert. It will not create the new collection. It will add the data inside same collection. If it's not there, so it will create a collection and insert the data. And last thing, how do I drop db dot sorry collection dot drop. Yeah, true. So it's returned true. Now if you say show collection, so there is no collection present in your database. So that's how you can create collections and how you can drop a collection. So that's all from my side in this tutorial. We're going to continue in MongoDB in next session. Bye and